creating a productive and fun study space is essential for every child. Best children's desks combine comfort, durability, and style, helping kids focus on learning while keeping their room organized and inspiring creativity every day. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. UTEX Children's Desk. The UTEX Children's Desk is a beautifully designed study solution that combines quality, durability, and functionality in one complete set. Made from high-quality environmentally engineered wood, this desk is coated with safe, non-toxic paint and certified by ASTM, CPSIA, and CPC standards, ensuring it is safe for young children. The material is wear-resistant and anti-scratch, making it capable of withstanding everyday use by energetic kids. Its sturdy structure provides excellent stability, while the strong load-bearing capacity ensures long-term durability. The desk also features a cleverly designed tabletop organizer, allowing children to keep pencils, books, albums, and other school supplies within easy reach. Beneath the desktop, there is an open storage cube perfect for displaying items or keeping frequently used objects handy. Additionally, a pull-out drawer offers enclosed storage, helping children maintain privacy and organization. The ergonomically designed chair features a curved and inclined backrest, supporting healthy spinal and joint development and offering comfort during extended study sessions. This desk is ideal for children aged 3 to 8 years, providing a space tailored to their size and needs. Beyond functionality, the UTEX desk is visually appealing, featuring a clean, simple design that complements any room decor. It is an excellent choice as a birthday or festival gift, as it encourages children to develop good habits of organization and study. Assembly is straightforward, with all required accessories included and a clear instruction manual, and the smooth surface makes cleaning effortless. Overall, the UTEX Children's Desk is a practical, safe, and stylish study solution that supports both learning and creativity. Number 2. Step 2 Children's Desk. Step 2 Children's Desk is an engaging and practical workspace designed to nurture creativity and learning in young children. The desk includes a matching chair and a flat work surface suitable for drawing, writing, and completing small school projects. It also features built-in clips that allow children to display their artwork proudly, turning the desk into a personalized creative corner. With integrated trays and a cup holder for storing markers, pencils, and other small supplies, the desk promotes organization and encourages children to take responsibility for keeping their space tidy. The comfortable stool is designed to accommodate children up to 75 pounds, offering both stability and ergonomic support for extended activities. Step 2 has prioritized safety and durability, ensuring the desk can withstand daily use by active kids. Additionally, cleaning and maintenance are simple. Disinfectant wipes or common household cleaners can be used to maintain a sanitary environment, making it perfect for shared spaces or homes with multiple children. Assembly is required but straightforward, with all necessary hardware included, allowing parents to set it up quickly. Beyond functionality, this desk encourages children to express themselves and develop fine motor skills through creative activities. Its compact design allows it to fit comfortably in bedrooms, playrooms, or learning corners without overwhelming the space. Whether for structured study time or creative play, the Step 2 Children's Desk provides a versatile, safe, and fun environment that helps children focus, explore their imagination, and build lifelong organizational skills. Number 3. Xaperexi Children's Desk. The Xaperexi Children's Desk is a premium study desk and chair set that prioritizes safety, durability, and ergonomic comfort for growing children. Constructed with a high-quality MDF desktop and supported by a strong steel frame, the desk ensures maximum stability and safety during everyday use. Non-slip foot pads prevent wobbling, providing a secure base even for active children. Impressively, the desk and chair can hold up to 400 pounds, highlighting its robust construction. The functional design incorporates a built-in bookstand and storage drawer, allowing children to keep books, stationery, and other learning essentials neatly organized. The spacious, widened desktop provides ample room for writing, drawing, and other creative or academic activities. One of the standout features is the desk's adjustable and ergonomic design, which accommodates children of various ages, typically from 3 to 15 years. This height-adjustable feature ensures long-term usability as children grow, promoting proper posture and comfort. Rounded corners, curved edges, and an anti-pinch device enhance safety by minimizing the risk of injury. This thoughtful design encourages efficient studying while also supporting healthy spinal development. The Xaperexi desk is equally suitable for home or school environments, offering both aesthetic appeal and practical functionality. Its durable materials make it a long-lasting investment that can withstand the wear and tear of daily use. Easy assembly and a well-thought-out design make it accessible for parents, while the spacious, ergonomic surface inspires children to focus on learning and creativity. Number 4. UTEX White Children's Desk. The UTEX White Children's Desk is a versatile and stylish addition to any child's study space, designed with both functionality and safety in mind. Crafted from high-quality engineered wood, this desk is not only sturdy but also treated to ensure a smooth, wear-resistant surface, making it highly durable and easy to clean. Its unique corner design sets it apart from traditional round or square desks, providing a more comfortable and efficient study area while also saving valuable space in smaller rooms. The desk comes with a multi-functional storage cabinet, offering ample space to organize books, stationery, toys, and other essentials. A display board atop the desk adds extra utility, allowing for the placement of small plants, alarm clocks, or decorative items, which can enhance the overall aesthetics of a child's room. This desk is perfect for a variety of activities, including reading, drawing, crafts, and even Lego play, making it a versatile solution for growing children. Its corner design and smooth, rounded edges promote safety, while the sturdy construction ensures stability during daily use. The UTEX White Children's Desk is easy to assemble, providing a convenient solution for parents who want a practical yet attractive study space. Its design encourages children to maintain an organized environment, fostering habits of tidiness and responsibility from an early age. Number 5. BALANBO Children's Desk. The BALANBO Children's Desk is a thoughtfully designed study solution that prioritizes functionality, durability, and child safety. Constructed from high-quality wood, the desk is environmentally friendly, strong, and long-lasting, with a smooth, durable surface that is resistant to dirt and easy to clean. Rounded corners ensure the safety of children during use, while the desk's robust construction can support up to 200 pounds, making it suitable for growing kids. The multifunctional design includes a spacious desktop, a noteboard, and a storage drawer, enabling children to keep their study area organized and tidy. The hutch and 2 large open drawers provide ample storage space for books, school supplies, and miscellaneous items, helping children develop good organizational habits. The desk measures 36.6 inches in length, 21.7 inches in width, and 54.3 inches in height, offering plenty of room for working, studying, or creative activities. Assembly is straightforward, with all hardware and instructions included, allowing parents to set up the desk quickly and efficiently. The smooth surface and quality materials ensure easy maintenance, making it a practical solution for busy households. This desk encourages children to focus, learn, and engage in creative pursuits while maintaining a clean and organized workspace. Its durable construction ensures longevity, while its appealing wooden texture and functional design make it suitable for various home decors. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.